Alright, today I want to show you this CleanView swivel pet from Bissell. It's got a triple action brush, which is a nice brush. Bissell's a known brand. There's adjustments here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for the different type of carpet you've got. You can see this button brings this off, and then you can open it here and dump it out. The dirt swirls around in there, but you don't really have to empty it until you get this to turn red. That's the green indicator. It's about halfway there. This is a super cool rotating brush to get hair, pet fur off your carpet. And then when you turn it on, it doesn't really even sound too loud. You can see the stuff jumping around in there. Drop this down like that. Drop it down like that. Give it a brush. Easy. Pull this hose out right here, and then you can get around edges, things like that. So yeah, this has been a great vacuum for us. We really enjoyed it. I'll go ahead and say, before you mess with the brushes, go ahead and unplug the thing for sure. And then to get into the brushes, this is nice. It's got 3 rows of brushes, 1, 2, 3, and they're all different color. That indicates different stiffnesses. A wall brush there, but you just get into it. There's a screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here. The belt's underneath here. It's kind of protected. It's a good idea to open that up, clean it, check it once in a while. Other than that, this is the wheel adjustment. Nice big wheels on the back. It's swivel action as indicated by that. So yeah, you can see it swivels around. But yeah, Bissell makes a good vacuum and doesn't use bags on this one, so you can just clean it out and away you go. So if you're looking for a good pet vacuum, this is one that's been great for us. What happened? Alright, when you turn it on, this brush is rotating, so that's for cleaning the pet hair off your carpet. And then this is how you wind the cord up, or a quick release, so the cord will all come off all at once. But when you're done, just wind it around like that.